Guys, today we're going to be riding the Yozma IN10 all around where I am in these trails. We're going to be riding hopefully across the river to a golf course, seeing some abandoned cars maybe. So yeah, let's get to it. Also, by the way, I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm probably gonna be looking at an abandoned car, going to the golf course, and maybe hitting a jump, or yeah, I'm gonna hit a jump first, and then I'm gonna be doing all the other stuff. Also, I'm new to all this stuff. I haven't even had this bike for a month. I don't know if you can see, but I only have 235 miles on it. I've never ridden a dirt bike before this. So yeah, I might not be the best person you see, but I mean, I'm fairly decent. So let's go. God, I almost just fell on a log back there. Actually, you know what? I almost do one every time I come down here. I'm tired of this stuff. I do not like these logs in the way. Like, they're just annoying. Yeah, that's good enough. So I'm just gonna move them out. Hopefully that's good enough. But yeah. We started over at a beach We started over at a beach over that direction. Over there, you can see my hand. But now, we're back at the water again. Which is crazy to me that the beach was way over down there. Somehow it's like 500 feet. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna end up going over there. But yeah, let's keep going. GoPros, they make these hills look like not steep at all, but really they are. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys that. Alright, and then here's the jump that I was talking about. It's really small. I'm not going to be sending it, because if I did, I'd probably fly over my handlebars. But I'm gonna hit it maybe once or twice, and I bet you I'm gonna get some air. Oh yeah, I got a ton of air, like a foot of air there. At least that's pretty good for me, because I'm new. Pretty good. Next is go to a abandoned car, and on our way that we're going to the golf course, we'll see an abandoned car. That probably didn't make sense. Let me say it again. We're gonna be going to a golf course, but we're gonna find an abandoned car on the way. Maybe two, but yeah, let's go. the first abandoned car. Yeah, it's pretty close. I'm only going like half a mile in this video. It's like all ripped out, the engine and everything. Old, the seats are trash. Seats are trash and stuff. Looks like it's been back here for probably like 5 years. Next one that we see, I hope we see at least. It's like all rusty and there's like almost looks like bullet holes in it and stuff. It's really terrible. So let's keep going. Sandy, I hate sand, but this is the one that you cannot see like anything on. And I was talking about bullet holes. What I mean by bullet holes is these kind of look like bullet holes, or I'm going crazy. But there's nothing really to see on this one. Looks like it's been out here for 20 years maybe longer. I don't know, but yeah, let's keep going. Next thing I think we're gonna see. Next cool thing is gonna be a golf course. Stuck in the sand. What the heck? Man, there's so many walks. Keep going. This is where the golf course is. Sand! Oh, this is heat sand! Let's go this way. I've never gone this way. Oh, never mind. Just lead right back this way. The main trail of the golf course. Some falling down trees, blocking the trail. Gotta go around it. Usually the water's pretty high right here, so it's hard to go around, but I mean there still is some water around here. It's really muddy. Like right here, I didn't put this here, but I don't know who did, but I'm glad they did, so we can get over it. Oh, I hate this part. Just because I'm new, I'm probably just gonna walk this. Just because I don't want to fall. It really doesn't look like anything, but it is like really bad mud that your tire will sink into pretty fast. Once we get to the top of this hill, we'll see the golf course in like 30 seconds. What the heck? Alrighty. see. Hopefully nobody's here. But let me show you guys this. I'm not gonna spend too much time here because this is a dirt bike riding video. And I'm just showing you guys around. Oh, somebody's just leaving here. But yeah, it's a golf course. I wasn't lying. And then across from these trees, there's more of the golf course. It's a pretty big one, and it's nice. It's like used a lot. Yeah, that's it for this golf course. I'll keep running. Probably gonna go on a trail that I've never been on, so it's gonna be my first time. And yeah, that's where I'm gonna go next. We'll see how it is. I thought I saw a golf ball. Where did my key go? Yeah, I brought my key. Error? What? There we go. I don't know why it said error. Alright, I've never been down this way. Let's see how it is. Whoa! I just think like a bird. What are those? What type of bird are those? They scare me. What the heck? What the heck are those? I've never seen those around here. I go fishing around here, I've never seen them either. So it's not like they're usually by water a lot. I'll get back to you guys. Got a call.